this comes back to interdependence, which is that when there's only the one thing or the none thing going on, when I wish somebody well, I'm wishing myself well. There's nothing else. And it's not this version of self, it's real self coming through that body. It's a simple way to put it. And if I curse somebody, guess who I'm cursing? Same one. So if I can keep a light and generous heart as often as I can for all the world, it can be my experience too. It is my experience. And you know, the funny thing is, you find that you don't get a lot until you give. And once you give, you can tend to get a lot back. You tend to get more back than you put out there. And Jim is just noticing that this is the place that his awakening has now moved. It's just the view has gone from tunnel vision on Jim and Jim's life to Panavision.